Well, my lens is a little crusty. Just a little bit, but that's okay. We're gonna roll with it. Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with Becca. Today, we're going kayak fishing and hopefully gonna get on some bass. I don't really know. Last time I came here, it was decent. Jake caught more fish than I did, so I'm really trying to figure this place out because I don't fish this place very often. This is probably my third time ever fishing this place, but I know that it definitely holds a lot of fish and some good fish as well. So we're gonna give this place a shot right now. I have a couple hours to fish, so we're just gonna try banging out some fish, having some fun, and just really trying to figure this place out a little bit better than last time I was here. If you're curious, I have the Googan Squad Zinger tied up, and then a good old baby blue bandito bug right here, or blue baby. I think it's blue baby. I'm so bad at this. Wow. I think it's blue baby. So blue baby, bandito bug, and the Googan Squad Zinger is what I have tied on right now. I don't know if I'm gonna stick with both of them, but we'll kind of see what's going on. If you guys want to pick up any Googan baits, leave a link down below. You guys can save 15% off with my code. I'll pop up the code on the screen for you guys right now. It's my name. It's a really simple code. You can't forget it. It's literally my name. But if you guys want any Googan baits, definitely check the link down below and give them a good old dangle because they have been killing it for me lately. I caught a 5-pounder on the Googan Squad Zinger, and I catch all my fish on the bandito bug because I'm obsessed with throwing it. Anyways, without further ado, let's just get out on the water and really try to get on some bass. Let's do it. There we go. Oh! Here's a little tip. So when I'm throwing the Zinger, I know it's gonna get me bites, and sometimes the spinnerbait isn't getting hit. So you know how you have like a lipless crankbait and you yo-yo it? That's what I was doing right there, and I got a hit. So it looks like a spinnerbait, but it looks like a dying bait fish to these bass. So if you're throwing the spinnerbait, try yo-yoing it, like literally just like this. And that's how I got that bite. It's weird, I know it's weird, but it works, and that's how I caught a lot of fish the other day, and I just had a bite on it today. So it's a weird tactic, but it works when the bite gets really tough. Wow, these people on this kayak literally have the whole entire pond, and they're just coming right next to me to fish. It's Corona season, please stay away. I've been throwing around the Googan Squad crankbait a little bit too. I've been kind of going back and forth from the crankbait to the spinnerbait. So we'll see. Oh, wow. I thought that was a bite for a second. It was a bite. It was a bite. There we go. Wow, this fish is literally playing dead on me right now. All right, so we finally got a fish after a very long time. Wow, I hooked him twice. Hey, come down. Not a monster, but definitely not a bad fish for how long we've been out searching for a bite. So thank you, buddy. See ya. He hit it like so many times. That was so weird, but nonetheless, we got a nice bite. We got a fish. That is pretty successful in my book. No way. How many casts later was that? This one's a little bit bigger. Oh my god, I think that was 2 casts after. Googan Squad Zinger, man, go pick yourself up some spinnerbaits because they're killing it right now for me. I've caught a lot of fish on the spinnerbait recently, including this little guy right here. See ya. All right, we're on to something. I don't know what it is, but it's something. And the fish are munching the spinnerbait, so that's fun. That was pretty much in the same spot as the other one, so maybe they're all stacked up over here. I have no idea. This time of year they do like to stack up, so I can't rule that out. Well, the bite's a little slow right now. How's everyone doing? Is everyone staying safe? I really hope everyone's staying safe and healthy. I know I went to Connecticut, what, yesterday? 2 days ago? 2 days ago? 3 days ago? Something like that. And I went trout fishing, but you know, social distancing. I didn't even touch a kid's hand that I met. I didn't like I don't even remember if we got that close to each other. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's a good fish. That's like a, oh my God, you're actually a really good fish. What the hell is going on? I was just trying to talk about social distancing. That's a good fish. I did not just catch this fish. I did not just catch this fish. What the Gookin Squad Zinger, dude, I don't understand. I don't understand. I think I have my scale too. I don't have my scale. Oh wait, what's this? Yes, sick. No way, broski. Gookin Squad Zinger, baby. Yeah, this fish might be maybe pushing 3. Super short, but really fat. So zeroed out. And it locked at 2 pounds, 2 ounces. Okay, I was, yeah, it was really close. That was a good one, Becca. Definitely a 3-pounder. Gotcha. That's why you always have a scale on you. Do you guys see that belly though? That's insane. Just very short fish. I need to take a couple pics with this one. This one's a beaut. Giving her a drink of water really quick and then I'm gonna snap a pic. Alrighty, here's our fish. Just snagged a couple of pictures with him. Time to get him back, or her. Thank you for biting. I needed a nice fish like you today. Little nose rub, whenever you're ready. Right under my kayak. That was an interesting way to go. I don't know why she did that. I'm like really shallow. Interesting choice, but yeah, she's back in the water. Let's see if we can get more. Hopefully we can get more. We're not doing bad though. Keep fishing, never stop, John B. Right, geese? Yeah, the geese know what I'm talking about. Wow, those are really good fish. I think that's one of my biggest fish I've ever caught out of here. I know there are giants in here though. I just haven't fished this place enough. It's just a really big body of water too, which I usually don't like fishing big bodies of water this time of year because you know, the smaller the body of water, the quicker it'll warm up, the quicker it'll get cold. So I've been migrating to like smaller ponds, not small ponds, but smaller, because the water temps at those ponds obviously warmer. What was I saying before I caught the fish? Social distancing? Yeah, social distancing is really important. I met up with that kid in Connecticut and we social distanced the whole time. Did I want to shake his hand and whatnot? Yeah, but I didn't because it's the right thing to do. Keep everyone safe and healthy. And that is my mom talk for the day. Thank you for coming. In case you guys are curious about my gear, this is kind of like my topwater setup. So I have 50-pound braid, or maybe this is, yeah, so 50-pound braid. And then we have this leader right here to 17-pound fluoro. I'm throwing this on a 7.4 fast action. And then I have it on my, I don't even know the gear ratio for this reel. It reels pretty dang fast, so I'm gonna have to guess it might be in the 8 or the high 7 gear ratio. I don't really know, it doesn't say on it. It's the Shimano SLX DC, if I said that right. I'm in it for the zing sound. That was so funny. No way. That, you guys aren't even gonna believe me. I don't even know if it's if I should waste my breath. Oh my god. I was just letting my spin bait dangle at my kayak and a big crappie just came out and tried eating it. And if anything, he would eat the crankbait, but alright, so we made it off the water. Series of unfortunate events happened with my backlash and it was a little heartbreaking, but we're gonna get that taken care of before tomorrow. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to be subscribed to the channel, like this video, comment down below, anything. I answer all my comments on my video, so every video I try to answer every single comment, so I will get back to you. lugging a kayak on and off a car by yourself is just not ideal, but anything to get out on the water, I don't mind. All right, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I had a blast out on the water today, so thank you guys so much for all the support. Please stay safe and healthy, and I'll catch you guys on the next episode of Fishing with Becca.